Hi, this is Hasham, and you are watching IMTV. Today, we are going to discuss a very significant dispute that Israel is raising against Arab countries. Israel is asking Saudi Arabia to pay $100 billion in compensation for the properties of Jews since the time of Prophet, peace be upon him. The Israeli government demands Egypt and Saudi Arabia to compensate for the properties of Jews on their land. Israel considered the property of the Jews in Egypt and Saudi Arabia in exchange for the Palestinian right of return $100 billion from Iran in compensation for the hundreds of dead and missing Iranian Jews. Israel is demanding Bahrain too for compensation for the properties of Jewish families who used to live in Manama. In a big surprise, Israel is currently preparing through the Director General of the Property Department at the Israeli Ministry of Foreign Affairs a bill that will be presented to the Knesset in March that obliges the Israeli government to demand the Egyptian authorities to return the property of Egyptian Jews who left the various Egyptian cities starting in 1948 in preparation for putting them on table. International negotiations in the event of pressure on Israel for the Palestinian right of return. The bill is divided into the two parts. The first call for Egypt, Mauritania, Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, Sudan, Syria, Iraq, Lebanon, Jordan, and Bahrain for the compensation for the properties of 850,000 Jews, worth of $300 billion divided among themselves according to the last population census of Jews in 1948. As of the second section of the law, in it, the Israeli Ministry of Foreign Affairs calls on Saudi Arabia to pay for the compensation of more than $100 billion for the property of Jews in the kingdom since the time of Prophet, peace be upon him. And it is a project that is currently working on senior Israeli experts in international law, history, and geography at the University of Bar Ilan and Beersheba, Tel Aviv, Jerusalem, and Haifa. With special funding was set at $100 million deducted from the 2012 budget of Israeli Ministry of Foreign Affairs. As for Iran, it has a special section within the framework of the same project, as Israel is asking to pay $100 billion alone in compensation for the hundreds of dead and missing Iranian Jews inside Iran without knowing their fate to this day. The interesting thing is that Israel is also asking Bahrain for the compensation for the properties of Jewish families that lived in Manama and have Jewish cemeteries in Bahrain to this day. According to this whole information and the project is according to the information that is leaked from the Israeli project. For more information about this, keep watching IMTV.
अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो फौरन इस सब्सक्राइब के बटन पर क्लिक कर दें और साथ ही बने बेल आइकन पर भी क्लिक कर दें ताकि हमारे चैनल की तरफ से आने वाली तमाम लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स आप तक बर वक्त पहुंच सकें। बहुत शुक्रिया।